price is 294 and the pack of 5 pieces of tempered glass, and it is perfectly suitable for ONEPLUS 9RT. We'll see here along with this box what and all accessories we get. You can see here already the tempered glass which has been already available because so the intention to make this video is to get a clarity on this for how long the tempered glass will comes. Okay, so it has been ordered on 2023 and today is March 2025. So it contains 5 pieces, okay, in this box. So already today was last, so that I have been used this one glass. So for that I plan to make a video on this and I will give you a review. See, already I have used 1, 2, 3, 4 and one more I have thrown out. So and we'll get with these wipes. One is dry, one is wet. Okay. So after we have to use wet one, then next we have to use dry second one. Okay. Along with that we have got like 100 rupees gift card. So if we rate 5 star, then we'll get 100 rupees. But I haven't tried this one because the quality is not that much as I expected, but it is okay. For this amount it is okay, so we can use. So it will most probably avoid getting damaged phone. Okay. So it is in a thinner, not in a thick way. The tempered glass is a thinner, so you can use, no issues. So this is a true review. It is not any paid or anything. Okay. So the intention is to make a video, just the product review I wanted to give. Okay. And I will show you the video, the purchase date as well included. Okay. So when it has been purchased, on for what price. So today it was around like 295 rupees. When I have purchased this 294, so there is like differentiate of 1 rupee. There is not much difference, but truly I can say that for budget friendly you can use this one tempered glass. There is no issue. And the packing was good. In this box I have received packing. Thermocol is there. It has been delivered on 15th October 2023.